Here, an activity by 7th standard students cooking without fire. They made so many items without fire. As a part of it, they did pulse mojito, lime mojito, Oreo sushi, Oreo cake, Oreo balls, lace chat, makana, and fruit salad, and lime and pulse mojitos. Here, Team B made cold coffee, pulse mojitos. These are donuts. This is bale. Coming to Team C, these are sandwiches. This is Oreo cake, custard fruit mix, pumpkin seeds mix, Oreo shake, poha, and bale. The activity is too good. The food is very delicious. You did it well, my dear children. Thank you so much.